Oh, Ham.
Potato. Con ơi. Và bro.
Ah, good.
Hello, teacher.
Can you see teacher?
Yeah,
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, have you eaten your dinner? Done eating or not yet?
No,
No. Oh, what time is it now in Vietnam?
I smart.
Again? Come again?
I smarting.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Oh, how about after this? Will you eat your dinner? Are you going to eat your dinner after the class? Huh? Okay, who's with you?
Mẹ chẳng mẹ. Cái gì? Chẳng. Mẹ biết có thông
Who's with you,
tin.
Potato?
What?
Who's with you in the house?
What? What?
Okay. Who's with you in the house?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is your mom there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, Potato, let me share to you the screen now so we can start with
And my
um
brother now.
your brother is there? Okay, there you go.
Đâu biết đâu.
Okay, Potato. Okay, Potato, can you read
What?
what's our lesson for this evening?
Yes.
Okay, what is it? Please read Unit 5. What's Unit 5 all about?
Nhiều. Có lỗi trời.
What's Unit 5? Please read.
I don't know this.
Answering.
Answering question.
Okay, very good. Unit 5 is all about answering questions. So let's move. So we have here vocabulary words first. Potato, what's the first word we have? The first word is, what is it?
Alphabet.
Again?
Alphabet.
Oh, very good. It's called alphabet. So again, how many letters does our alphabet have? How many letters? There
1, 2,
are
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 12.
how many?
I don't know.
Oh, we have 26 letters in the alphabet. Oh, you forgot what we talked about last time? We talked about letters of the alphabet last time. Oh.
Alphabet.
Okay, how about this one? What's the next word? We have here is the, what's the next word? We have, what's that, Potato? The next word is
Letter.
letter. Very good. What's your favorite letter in the alphabet, Potato?
Yes.
You say my favorite letter is letter C. Oh, letter C. Okay. And next word, what's the
Letter.
third word we have here is a word? Okay, please read. What is it? The next
Word.
is word. Okay, what word can you see on the screen? What word can you see?
Mẹ bảo con nằm chưa?
We have, what is it?
Cứ nằm xem như thế nào mà con thấy
We have
Please read the word. We have,
here.
what is that? What's the word given?
Here is
It's, how do you read? Okay, very good. It's cat.
Word.
All right, next. How about the fourth word in the vocabulary? What is it? Fourth word. The fourth word is, what's that? It's
number.
number. Okay, potato, what's your favorite number? What is your favorite number, potato? My favorite number is, what is it?
Two.
2. Why potato likes that number 2? Why you chose 2? 2 because why? Why do you like 2?
I
I don't know again. Okay.
Number.
It says that your favorite number is 2. Okay, next. How about here? Another vocabulary word we have here is, what's that?
Here with me.
It's called, what's the next word we have? Question. Very good. Now here, can you read what's the question? Can you read what's the question given? Please read on the screen. Yeah. What is the question on the screen?
How are you?
How are you? Okay, potato, how are you, potato? I
am fine, thank you.
Oh, very good answer.
Question.
Okay, next. How about the second word we have here is the, what's the second word?
Tick.
Tick. Correct.
Tick.
Okay, next. How about the third word we have? What's the third word we have? Cross. Okay, cross.
Cross.
And the last one, the fourth word we have?
Line.
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 Very good. So we have question, we have tick, we have cross, and the fourth one we have here is the word
Line.
line. Okay, very easy words. Now here. Now, potato, can you cross the numbers that you can see in the box? Can you cross the numbers that you can see in the box? Oh, there's only one. So you say number. Come on. Cross a number on the given in the given box.
I don't know.
Where is the what number is in the box? Come on, look at the box. What number is this?
It's two.
Okay, very good. We have there number 2. Now here, take the question. Please read. My name?
My name is Sean.
Yes.
We come from Ella.
England.
How old is your brother? Thank you.
Okay. How old is your brother? And thank you. Now, potato. I have here 3 sentences. We have first, second, third, and fourth. Potato, can you put a tick on the question? Potato, can you put a tick on the question? Which one here is the question?
What?
Which one there is a question? Where's the question there? Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? Which one there is a question? The question is number
Number 2.
number 2. We come from England. Is it a question?
No. Number 4.
No. Number 4. Thank you. Is it a question?
No.
Are you asking
No.
thank you?
No.
What is
no.
it?
Number 1.
Number 1? Oh no. My name's
no.
Cramp.
Number 3.
Okay, what is number 3?
How old are you?
Oh.
It's your brother.
How old is your... Huh? Okay. Okay. Okay, very good, Potato. So the question we have here is, how old is your brother? This one is asking. How about Potato? Do you have a brother? Potato?
No.
You don't have a brother? Are you sure you don't have a brother?
Yes.
Yes.
Brother.
How many brothers do you have? How many? Potato, how many brothers do you have? I have. Come on.
The brother attacked me.
How many brothers do you have? Do you have 1 brother, 2 brothers, 3 brothers? How many? I have 2 brothers. Oh, one. One brother. How old is your brother?
In 10.
Oh, my brother. Say, my brother is.
No. 11.
Oh, you say, my brother is 11 years old. Again, my brother. You follow me, follow. My brother. Potato, where are you? You say, come on, my brother.
My brother is
11 years old.
years old.
Okay, how about your baby brother? Do you have a baby brother, right?
Baby brother is 2.
Oh, 2. Oh, the baby brother's name is Putin. And Putin is 2 years old. Right?
Yeah.
Where is Putin now? Where's Putin?
Putin is
Where is Putin? Putin is sleeping now?
Putin
Is eating? Where's Putin? What is Putin doing now?
Putin is sleeping.
Sleeping so early. Putin is sleeping. I think Putin is tired because Putin is already sleeping. Okay, very good. Look at your answer. Okay, now Potato, you want to write?
No.
Here. Complete. Oh, I know you want to write. Complete the crossword and find the answers in the box. Okay, can you see the boxes here? One box is it. You're going to put 1 letter in each small box. Okay, you use the word for your answer. The word cross, letter, question, number, sentence, tick, and words. Okay. Now, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, element O, P, Q, R, S, T, W, Y, X, W, Y, Z. Okay, what do you call to these letters? They are called alphabet. Oh, you're going to write 1 letter in each box. Okay? Okay? Potato, can you do this?
For me?
Make it small, not so big. Come on, you can do it.
Where's my
Okay, go now. You take your time and then write.
down?
How about this? Potato, very easy. How about this? What number is this? This is? What number is that? What is this? Is it a cross? Is it a letter, question, number, or sentence? What is this? A number or a sentence? What's this? Potato.
Number.
Okay, right number. Like this,
I
teacher.
don't write.
Do like this.
Right.
N,
Play. Right.
Q, M, B. Oh, wait. Sorry. It's going down. Look at here. Oh, it's going down. So you're gonna put it down. N, U, M, B, E, R. Okay, next. Okay, number is already done. Now look at here, potato. Please read. What is this? Is this a letter or a question? What is this? Potato, a letter or a question? Potato,
A letter.
how are you is a letter? Is it a
Number.
letter? Oh no, is it a letter or a question? How are you? What is that? Letter or question? Okay, very good. So we're going to write question. Q, U, E, S, C, I, O, N. Next, this one. Potato, what is this? Is it a letter or a cross? What's this? Potato, what is this? Letter or cross? What's this? Letter B. Okay, very good. This is letter L, C, T, E, R. Okay, next. Potato, how about this? What is this? What is this? This one, in the below. What's this? This is this a tick or a cross? Oh, very good, cross. C-R-O-S-S. Okay, and this one, what is this? Is it a sentence, a tick, or words? What is this? This is a sentence, tick, or words. What is this? Tick, correct. So you're going to write T-I-C-K. Okay, next. Potato, how about this? The, yes, toy, and you. Is it a sentence or words? Yes, the, toy, and you. Is it a sentence or words? What is this? This is? Sentence? A sentence? It's a word. Okay, correct. W-O-R-D-S. And what is the last one? What's the last answer? We love English. What is that? We call it? What do you call to this one? We love English. Okay, sentence. E-N-T-E-N-C-E. Very good. Okay. So potato, let's check your answer. First, we have here question is correct. Words is correct. Tick is correct. Cross is correct. Oh, very good. Number is correct. Letters is correct. And sentence. Okay, there you go. So good job, potato, because you were able to write this one. Now here, ask and answer. So, potato, 3 and 7. What do you call to 3 and 7? 3
I don't
and
know.
7 are cold. Look at here. 3 and 7 are cold. What are they? They are.
They are.
Please read. What are they? They are.
They are number.
Very good. They are what we call as number. Okay. Can you give me another example of numbers? What are example of numbers? Give me a number. Number 4. Very good. Another one. One more. 4. What?
Number 5.
5. Okay. Good job. Okay. Next. Here. How about G, F, P, and Q? What do you call to this? They are.
I.
What do you call to this one? Again, they are.
Like.
What is it?
Like.
They are.
They are alphabet.
Ah, their alphabet.
No.
They are.
Leo, I don't know.
It starts with letter L. They are.
Little.
Very good. They are letters. Good job, potato. And this one. How about this one? What do you call to this? Name, sock, listen. What do you call to this? Are they still numbers?
No.
What is this?
Alphabet.
Alphabet? No. They're already group of letters. What do you call to that? Group of letters. It starts with letter W and O. Wo. Again, it starts with letter W. We call it
Word.
words. Okay, words. Next, potato, look at here. I'm a teacher. You're learning English. What is this? It starts with S. What do you call to this? S. Very good. We call it sentences. Next, here, how about this example? How old are you? What's your name? What is this? How old are you? And what's your name? They are. What is this?
Question.
Very good. Perfect. Very good, potato, because you were able to give the correct answer in this question or in this activity. Perfectly answered. Good job. Now here, starter's tip. So in the test, you have to draw lines, color things, put ticks or crosses, or write names and numbers. Yes or no, or one word answer. So practice drawing ticks and crosses. Now here, potato, read, draw, and write. What's number 1? Number 1 is, look at the example number 1. Number 1, draw.
Yeah. What?
Number 1, read number 1.
Draw a line.
Okay, potato, can you draw a line?
No.
You can. Come on. Draw a line, a straight line.
No.
Come on, you can do it. Come on, draw a line.
I don't try.
You drew a line just like this, oh. Potato. Follow teacher.
What?
Oh, teacher is making a line. How about yours? Where is your line?
And left.
Okay, where is it? Line. Draw a line.
Ah.
Okay, oh, it's a vertical line. Next, number 2, potato. Okay, correct. Potato. Tick the box. Where's your tick the box? Can you put a tick on the box? Potato, tick the box. Can you tick the box, potato?
Take the box is correct.
Yeah. Where's the box? It's not inside the box. It says there, tick the box. Your tick is not in the box. Okay, next. Number 3. Do not make it many. Number 3. What's number 3? Please read number 3. Right. Look at potato. Number 3. What's number 3?
Right and number.
Right.
Right
Yes,
number.
number 3.
It's right eyes.
Come on, right. Write a number. Right? Yes.
Eye.
Right. Yes. Where's your yes?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, next. Number 4. Write a number. Where is your number? Write your favorite number. A 2. Next, number 5. Put a cross in the box. Oh, very good. Next, number 6, potato. Write one word, babe. Give me a word. Any words. Wait. What's your word? What's that?
Letter.
Okay, letter. Next, potato. What's your favorite English word?
I draw.
You don't have favorite English word?
Yeah.
Oh. How about the sentence? Can you write the sentence?
No.
No? Okay, wait me. Okay. Look at here. I have here an example. Excuse me. Okay, so we have here example of it. Okay, look at here, potato. What's number 7? What's the favorite English word as written as an example? What's the example number 7? Number 7 is?
It's number.
Number 7, no. What's the question? Number 7 says, what's your favorite English word? What's the answer? It's
7.
mermaid. Number 7, mermaid.
Mermaid.
Okay, number 8. Write a sentence with 5 words. What's the 5 words?
I am reading Harry Potter.
Okay. And write a question. What's the question? What's the question?
Where are you from?
Very good. So those are examples of a line, box, yeah, writing yes, number, crossing the box, word, favorite English word, sentence, and words. Okay, potato. Enter again to the Zoom class, potato, so we'll have more time, okay? Enter again.